When it comes to Toyotas, there's no other name out there bigger than Just Autos.
If you have a Toyota vehicle, there is no other place you'll take it in Tasmania. This is definitely the spot to be.
CP Performance, we're located in Lana, which is 10 kilometres north of Launceston. The main focus with the business obviously is diesel tuning, and for that we've got a roller dyno and a two-wheel drive hub dyno. As a tuner, so to speak, I've probably been mucking around for a good part of 15 years now. The diesel stuff probably came around about 10 years ago. I'd say 70% of my work is Toyota based. That's obviously what I like to do. Toyota has always been known for its reliability. The build quality of a Toyota versus other brands on the market, nothing else compares. I believe Toyota leave a lot on the table for us as tuners to extract and make these vehicles better, which is a better experience for the customer at the end of the day.
You know, having someone like Shane here in Tasmania with, you know, the brand alignment is something that's very important, but we know it's a perfect fit exactly the way we would want it.
In the diesel tuning scene, he's one of the best out there, if not the best. In business, you want to align yourself with good people, and I believe that Matt's the man to be involved with. The Just Autos package is just work. Matt's put so much time and effort into making these things all work together. Whether it be his engine oil that he's developed, that's doing a fantastic job. All his air boxes, his intake pipe, everything just fits as it should. Making power with a diesel is pretty straightforward, but making that power reliably and efficiently, that's what Matt is so good at. We're not chasing horsepower numbers, we're chasing reliability. Generally speaking, my biggest client base would be your guys that are heading on laps around Australia. They want to improve their vehicle, whether it be for power and torque or fuel efficiency. And we just find that they put trust in us, especially being a Just Autos distributor, that wherever they go on the mainland, they've got support because Matt strategically put people around the country to help the customer.
So if you're in Tasmania and you're looking for a Just Autos package, get in contact with us at head office or give CP Performance a call and Shane will be happy to answer any of your questions. You are mad if you have a Toyota and you have not seen this place.